Health 54 right here on your digital first Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. I am Rose Audu. The National AIDS and STIs Control Program has had 57,280 out of the estimated 150,000 children living with Human Immunodeficiency Virus in Nigeria are under treatment as of June 2021. It added that 44% of pregnant women had access to prevention of mother-to-child transmission tests in the country. The National Coordinator of NASCP, Dr. Akodo Ikpeazu, stated this on Wednesday during the commemoration of the 2021 World AIDS Day, organized at the National Agency for the Control of AIDS in Abuja. And according to Bauchi State Government, cholera outbreak in the state has claimed the lives of over 20 people. The Commissioner for Health in the state, Dr. Aliwu Maigoro, disclosed this at a press conference held at the ministry's headquarters in Bauchi on Tuesday. He said that 9 local government areas in the state recorded a total of 322 cases within 1 month, adding that the case fatality rate is 6.2%. And 41 days after Nigeria lifted travel ban on South Africa, the World Health Organization announced that the country had discovered a new variant of the coronavirus disease tagged B11-529. According to Boss Mustafa-led Presidential Steering Committee on COVID-19 on October 14, 2021, during the Presidential Steering Committee on COVID, it had announced that the country had lifted the travel ban it placed on South Africa following a review of the pandemic activities in the South African country. And 1 person reportedly died and 13 others are hospitalized in Taraba State following cholera outbreak in the Jan Adido community of Karen Lamido local government area of the state. Chairman of the local government area, Marcus Hamidu, on Thursday confirmed the incident to newsmen in Jalingo, the state capital. He added that efforts are on to rescue all infected persons in the hospital. Germany's COVID-19 death toll on Wednesday surpassed 100,000 amid rising new cases of the novel coronavirus, just as the new government starts to take the reins. According to figures from a public health agency, the Robert Koch Institute (RKI), on Thursday, Germany recorded 351 fatalities in the last 24 hours, bringing the total death toll since the start of the pandemic to 100,119. The weekly incidence rate also hit an all-time high of 419.7 new infections per 100,000 persons. This is TOS Television Network. You're watching Health 54. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. A clinical microbiologist, Professor Oladipo Abodorin, has warned against overuse of antibiotics, noting that continuous use of the drugs can lead to resistance in microbes, which is hazardous to humans' health. Abodorin, who is a professor of clinical microbiology at the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, gave the warning while delivering a lecture at the 2021 World Antibiotics Awareness Week on Wednesday in Osogbo. He said the United Nations General Assembly in 2016 classified antibiotic resistance as a global health emergency. The United Kingdom have temporarily banned flights from South Africa and 5 neighboring countries over worries about a new, dramatically different COVID-19 variant recently identified in the region. According to Bloomberg, the travel restrictions go into effect at noon Friday and are a precautionary measure to keep the spread of the new variant in check. Health Secretary Sujit Javid said the 6 African countries will be placed on the UK's red list as of Sunday, requiring travelers to quarantine in hotels upon arrival. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control (NCDC), in an update shared on its Facebook page on Friday morning, said Nigeria recorded an additional fatality with 65 fresh cases from the coronavirus pandemic on Thursday across 9 states and the Federal Capital Territory. The NCDC said the country's fatality toll from the disease now stands at 2,975, and that the number of confirmed cases has increased Nigeria's infection toll to 213,883, with 3,814 active cases. And the World Health Organization has said that misinformation remains the bigger threat affecting COVID-19 response efforts in Nigeria. The global health body therefore urged health journalists to always equip themselves with relevant knowledge and information to ensure proper reportage. A preliminary analysis by the World Health Organization has shown that only 27% of health workers in Africa have been fully vaccinated against the coronavirus, leaving the bulk of the workforce on the front lines against the pandemic unprotected. WHO Regional Director for Africa, Dr. Moaiti Moshidisa, disclosed this during a virtual press conference on Friday, facilitated by Apple Group on Thursday, November 25, 2021. According to Dr. Moaiti, analysis of data reported from 25 countries revealed that since March 2021, 1.3 million health workers were fully vaccinated, with just 6 countries reaching more than 90%, while 9 countries fully vaccinated less than 40%. And that is Health 54 right here on your Digital First Pan-African News Network, TOS Television. More updates? For more updates, visit www.TOSTVNetwork.com. Do follow and like TOS Television Network on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And remember to subscribe on YouTube. To stay with us and enjoy more programs on TOS Television Network. Remember, health is wealth. So till I come your way again, do stay healthy. I am Rose Audu, and many thanks for watching.